Hello, guys. Welcome to the episode 13 of Walk the Stock. I'm Rupak and I represent iFinStrats. Now, today we are going to talk and analyze yet another stock as we've been doing for the past 12 days. But before I talk about the stock of the day today, let me share one good news with you. We analyzed one stock yesterday, which was Jupiter Wagons. It was from the auto ancillary sector, and I said yesterday that the stock is poised to make a very good move. But I was expecting it to make a move in the next few days or say 1 or 2 weeks. But fortunately, the stock made the move of good about 15 or 16%. The stock made a move of 15 to 16% just in one day today. So this is what is the power of analyzing the stock correctly. Now, I don't say that all the stocks we analyze here will make such kind of big moves in one day, but you feel very satisfied and you feel very happy that your learnings are coming true when you see the stocks moving up such rapidly. So today I have brought another stock in front of you. And in this challenging market, as I was saying yesterday also, I don't know when in time will this stock show its move, but I think it's time that it would make a move in the next few days or next couple of weeks. So these are all stock for swing trades. The stock I have chosen for you today is Welspun Enterprises Ltd, which is into construction of residential and commercial complexes. The stock has made a one-day move today of 5.5%, and the stock is trading currently at 375 rupees. The stock is fairly a high beta stock, I would say. The beta is sitting at about 1.46. The stock's market capitalization is sitting at about 5,100 crores, and the stock is very close to making its all-time high, and its all-time high is at 386.7. So therefore, I've chosen this stock for you. I think it is showing some momentum. It has done a positive breakout on the first resistances, and therefore, let's dive into the technical charts of the stock. Thank you. Guys, we are into the Welspun Enterprise weekly time frame chart. As I said, Welspun has shown a near-term resistance around 5th of February, week of 5th of February rather, the first level of resistance, a near-term resistance we can call it, and that resistance is sitting here. So it has resisted here, and then again now in this week, or in the last 2 weeks rather, it is resisting at the same point. I think this is the right time where we can look at this chart breaking its all-time resistance and making a new move in the uncharted territory. To top it up, the EMAs, both 200 and 44 weighted moving average, both are well poised. It has to just kind of break this resistance and make a new move and give us this price action, and I think then in the next days to come we could see a good upward momentum. Well, we can't say that all the time, but mostly I have seen that the stocks which have been resisting for a while, the way Welspun Enterprise is showcasing, these kind of stocks definitely give you a good up move as long as they're bullish. And if you see, the stock has been making higher lows in the last few weeks. If I just drop it down to daily chart, what do we see here? Let's see. So again, the stock is making higher lows. It is just kind of resisting in this area, and I think if it breaks out of this resistance, it could be a good up move for Welspun. Now let's look at some more indicators, starting with the famous RSI and you look on daily basis, the RSI has just gone over 60, which is good news. That means the stock is catching bullish momentum. The trend strength indicator ADX is also showcasing above 20 reference. So the blue line is the ADX line and the green line is the positive directional index. Both are above 20. Again, showcasing a good trend towards upwards momentum. So I think that's another good. A very good other news is that the relative strength of the past 55 days of this stock against the reference of broad index like Nifty, it's showing a positive sign, which means that the stock is currently performing better than Nifty as per the RS rules. Last but not the least, very important thing, if I check the on balance volume, and you see that the on balance volume is, let me just make this for a minute big for you. The on balance volume is showing a good up move. And also, if you look at it from the point of view of the price chart is also giving us a beautiful up move, which means that volumes are supporting the buying. So there's a strong amount of buying going on here at this point of time, and I think a little bit of push out of this resistance will throw out this stock into the new uncharted territory, and I think it could show a really beautiful up move in the days to come. Now, having said all this, I think we should definitely be understanding and looking at what kind of targets this stock should be giving us. But this time, I'll hold on to my thoughts about the targets and the stop loss. I would want you guys to figure this out, that where should you be looking at taking a position, if at all you want to take a position in the stock, and what should be your stop loss. Now, in no way this analysis, what I'm doing for you, is any kind of message to give you any tip. Please be rest assured that this is my only analysis for educational purposes, and I do not want you to believe me straight out. Please consult your financial advisor. Please make sure that you do your own bit of analysis if at all you want to make position in this stock. I am no way connected to give you any kind of a tip, and I am not SEBI registered. So please, for heaven's sake, do your own analysis. But if you believe this analysis, I'm sure you will do your own little bit of analytics before you even think of taking position in this stock. But is it the right time to take position in this stock, or you want to keep it in watch list? I leave it to you. Please understand that there is an opportune time when you have to take this stock. Maybe it's not on Monday, or maybe it's not on Tuesday. Maybe it was Wednesday or Thursday or Friday. I don't know. So please make sure that you take your own positions wisely, carefully. It's your own hard-earned money. I leave you with this. I hope you liked my analysis, and I'm sure we will continue doing such kind of interesting analysis in times to come. Thank you very much. You have a very nice evening and an excellent weekend which is coming forward for all of us. Bye bye.